give her what she thinks is hers, so she wants to be the leader. We got some Maltese and Parson Russells trying to get in on the action, and then one Chiku, the black one, has a Chiku. Well, I guess we'll check on their progress. They're really trying hard. Miss Jackie Russell here. Welcome to my channel. Hey, today is Bark Box, and looks like we're going to have a little barking going on in the background. But I just got my October box, so I figured I better open it up so you'll have a chance to see what they did for October. This subscription is for your dogs. It comes with 2 bags of treats and a chew, and it also comes with 2 toys for your dogs. And we're going to get right into this. It runs $24.99 a month. And this month's box theme is Mischief Mutts. Oh yeah. Listen to mine over there. We have some that don't want to be quiet. And then we're going to look inside here. This is kind of like your product card. It has what you could have and what you did get. And right now, just from looking in the box, I think we got this here and this over here, which looks like they're very cute. And the other items on here, they give you opportunity to go on and buy extra toys if you want. And you can get a subscription that has 3 toys with it instead of 2. I don't know how much more that is. It might be $34.99. But you can go to barkbox.com and find that out. Also, if you're looking for some good, thick puppy pads, BarkBox has some of the best puppy pads. I guess they're charcoal, and they're good. I mean, like, they're thick and they're absorbent, and they don't tear up as easy as some of those other ones. So there's a little shout out for that. But let's get on into this box. We got this little pumpkin toy. Isn't that cute? The toys are very good quality, and the dogs just can't tear them right up. We also got this practical yolks, so it's rotten eggs. And inside we've got 3 little eggs in there. And they got it Velcroed. Well, right now they're like tied in. They'll come out eventually. The dogs can get them out, or I'll undo them. But they're clipped in there with one of those little plastic enclosures. But I want you to see what they look like. There's one. So isn't that just cute? They have such cute toys, and it's really soft. But of course, the puppies don't care if it's soft or not. But both of these, the pumpkin, let's see what this one was called. Behind the Squeaks, it says, Smashing Pumpkin. And of course, they do have a little squeak. This one's not as much as I would think that it would be. And these all have a squeaker in them. So really cute little toys. And my dogs and my little puppies love playing with these toys, especially the ones that make the crinkly noise. We also got some pumpkin, honey, and recipe dog chews. And these are small size. So if you got a small dog, which I get my box for small dogs, then this is real handy for them to use. This month we got some Oinky Bay jerky bites, and I'll have to say my dogs have loved all their treats. And we got some more bad jerky bars. This is lamb recipe. And again, these are very good. And when our new little puppies go to their new homes, we give them a few of the little treats too, so they get to leave with a few of the BarkBox treats. And I highly recommend that to all my puppy adoptive parents. And I think many of them go ahead and get it. It's a great box, and you can choose how you want these snacks. I don't want any soy, corn, gluten, and not too many grains. I'll allow rice, but I don't want any other. And they're very good about letting you choose what you want in your treat. I like to get as most natural that I can and with the least allergen type situations. And I pick lamb a lot because dogs can eat lamb, but I don't know if you know this, but some dogs can be allergic to chicken. So there's more out there than you think. But and I learned that from my vet. And then I switched my dog food over to lamb and rice instead of chicken and rice. and things for them started getting better as far as their poo goes, because if they're having a reaction to it or they don't digest it well, it's just messy. But to recap, on the Bark Box for $25, $24.99, I got 2 bags of treats, Oink Oinks and the Bag. We got the Honey Pumpkin Recipe Chews, and we got 2 toys. And this is really 4 toys, because you got your bag, and then you've got your 3 rotten eggs inside. And then we got our little pumpkin toy. So that is the Bark Box for this month of October. And I'll have some footage at the end of the dogs trying to break into it. That's it for today for Bark Box. You all have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye. Everybody's having an opportunity for this box today. Are y'all going to get it open? Huh? Y'all have to wait till the Jacks come back. It'll be a Jack attack. Honky Poo's going to try it. There you go, Missy. You give it a try. Y'all doing a good job. Now we got the Jacks on board. There you go, pull it. Yeah. I'm having referee interruption. There goes Spencer. Daisy and Spencer and Billy down there trying to get that off. Oh. You gonna get that toy? There you go. Come on, Spencer, get it out. Chewing on the table.